Well, today was an amazing experience to get to see a educator here at Mullins Elementary School. I think she's a third and fourth grade teacher, be recognized for being an excellent educator. And one of her own students were given the opportunity to define excellent, and he said really good performance. And I just thought it was such an honor for her to be recognized. You know, teaching is a selfless profession. Teachers teach children because they want them to be better and to do better and to learn and grow and be anything they want to be in this world. And it was just amazing feeling to be here each time that an educator is recognized for being excellent. Well, that was something that I said to the other Milken educators, that Mrs. Bailey has no idea, what's getting ready to happen. The initial recognition is such a shock, and you're so overwhelmed as an educator. But then just the media explosion and everyone wanting to interview you and hear from you and see what you think about this experience and this recognition. But then the opportunities that will come her way will be incredible, from the county level and also from the state level. The West Virginia Department of Education does an incredible job utilizing Milken educators for training, for advisory councils, for support, and also local universities and different organizations will be reaching out to her, and she'll have opportunities to share her expertise with others, because a teacher's always a teacher, so she'll have that opportunity to share clearly what she's doing. She was the Wyoming County Teacher of the Year last year, I heard her say, and then now she is recognized as a Milken educator. So clearly she is an excellent educator, so she can share what she is doing and what her skills are with other educators, and just help continue to grow the profession. To me, the Milken Educator Award was a life-changing experience for me. I was recognized in 2014, and I was a principal at the time. That was very special to me because I loved being a teacher, and I absolutely loved being a principal as well, being able to lead a school. And you don't go into this profession for any type of recognition, whether that's for pay or for award or for anything like that. You go into this profession to help kids and to take care of kids and to teach them and to help them grow up. And it's been an honor, and I've had a lot of opportunities to work with the state, to work across our state, and we have a wonderful Milken Educator Network that we work together to support, to grow your own programs in the state. We work with teacher prep programs in the state, just trying to grow our profession and continue to focus on excellence in education in West Virginia.